This is Barbara Santana. She is one of the amazing flywheel instructors I've met. I love her classes and I recommend them to everybody. And she has graciously accepted our invitation today to be our model. I appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, first we are going to do what I call the standing psoas stretch, which is also known in yoga as the warrior pose. Over the years, I have found this to be the most gentle and effective way to stretch the psoas. I prefer this stretch to the more aggressive upward dog, especially for people who feel that their low backs are at risk, that they're feeling challenged and that their low back is threatening to go into spasm with too much movement. I've worked on quite a few patients in my clinic over the years that believe they have injured their backs from doing the upward dog. They usually find that the warrior pose is plenty effective in loosening up the low back via lengthening the psoas. So here goes. Okay, Barbara, I'd like you to move your feet apart to the comfortable right about there. Good. Go ahead and turn to your right. She's pointing her right foot forward. Her rear foot is about at a 45-degree angle. Her hips are squared off. And now she's going to go into a gentle lunge. And she can accentuate that by raising her arms up and going into the warrior one pose. And right now, her psoas is stretching right through here. Whenever the femur is back behind the spine, it's extended from the pelvis, the psoas is being stretched. You want to hold a stretch for an absolute minimum of 20 seconds. 30 seconds or a little bit more is better. It takes a while for the neurological feedback loop to complete and recalibrating the dynamic range of the muscle in that direction. All right, now we're going to have Barbara go ahead and twist around the other way, come out of that stretch. Beautiful. Twist this way and go into the warrior one on this side. Fantastic. And you notice that Barbara's body is straight up and down, that she's not trying to over accentuate the stretch by leaning backwards, and she's not leaning forwards. She looks perfectly balanced in this position. That's excellent. Now we're going to go on to the stretch on the stairs. You can come out of your pose now, Barbara. Thank you very much. Now we are going to ask our lovely Barbara to do a version of the warrior one pose on the stairs. Okay, Barbara, go ahead and whichever stair is most comfortable for you. Excellent, excellent. And that's it. This allows you to go into a deeper stretch for the psoas. Can you go ahead and, when you're ready, we're going to abbreviate it a little bit and have you change sides. Because this side here, they can really see the femur coming behind the spine and the psoas stretching there. This allows you to get into a deeper stretch without putting the low back at risk. Normally, when we stretch one side at a time, the lumbosacral disc is completely safe. It's when we start trying to significantly stretch it this much with both of them at the same time, it tends to put the lumbosacral disc at risk of inflammation and aggravation. Thank you very much, Barbara.